Hello दोस्तों, how are you all? I hope you guys are good. So दोस्तों, today topic is all about domain name system, right? Basically DNS. But before we get started, if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos. Now let's jump right into DNS, domain name system, right? So the domain name system DNS is like the phone book of the internet, right? It's a system that translates human friendly domain name like www.example.com into IP addresses, right? Which are the unique numerical addresses that computers use to identify each other on the internet. Get it? Imagine you want to visit a website, let's say www.google.com, right? Instead of typing in its IP address, right? Basically, which is a series of number like this, right? So you simply type the domain name in your browser address bar. So here how DNS work with a real-time example, right? So basically step 1 is you type in a URL, right? You open your web server and type in www.google.com to search for something, right? Step 2, your computer checks its cache, right? So your computers check if it already known the IP address of www.google.com from previous visits, right? So if it does, great, right? It does not need to do anything else, right? Step 3, your computer asks the recursive DNS server, right? If your computer does not have the IP address, it asks a recursive DNS domain name server, right? Think of this server like an internet detective, right? And it might not know the answer itself, but it's determined to find it. Get it? Step 4 is recursive DNS server investigates. So the recursive DNS domain name server might have to ask other DNS servers to find the answer. So it's like asking multiple people for direction to a place. Get it? Step 5 is recursive DNS server finds the answer. So eventually the recursive DNS domain name server find the IP address for www.google.com and sends it back to your computer. Get it? Step 6 is your computer stores the answer. So your computer stores the IP addresses in its cache. So it does not have to go through this process again the next time you visit the same website. Get it? Step 7 is you reach the website. So armed with the IP addresses, your computer send a request to the IP address and you are connected to the Google website. So in simple terms, DNS makes it easier for us to use human readable domain names to access website, while behind the scene it translates them into the numeric IP address that computers use to communicate on the internet, right? So next time you browse the web, remember that the DNS domain name server is the one helping you navigate by converting names into numbers, right? So दोस्तों, I will discuss about in my next video about DHCP, right? And basically in my previous video I was already discussed about HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP, POP3 and IMAP, right? And TCP IP protocol, SUIT and networking protocol. So this was already discussed in my previous video. If you not watch it, watch this, so watch it, right? So thank you all for watching this video. To quickly recap, we discussed in this video is basically DNS, domain name server, right? So hopefully you find the information useful and learn something new. If you have any questions or would you like to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care and have a fantastic day.